weather is a shocker. G'day everybody, how you going? Thanks for joining me. Today's challenge is to go out in the worst weather conditions of the year. Check it. To take the best photograph of the year. What? I know, odds are against me. A single photograph that makes it to the portfolio. This is going to be a challenge, it's going to be fun, and I'm going to get wet. Let's go. Just not working. Gosh. Oh, it's so good. Like, yeah, we should do street photography and surfers where there's plenty of places to hide under. We don't get drenched, and we might actually get a decent shot. I think there's some lessons that we can learn from a shoot like that. For example, don't go out when the weather's rubbish. If you know the weather's rubbish, now you gotta play the weather to your advantage. I knew there was going to be some big surf, and that's what I wanted to make the most of. Okay, so as you can see, it's golden hour, and it just looks sensational. Like, wow! Look at the light. Look at the color. Look at wow, that was so dirty. I am so sandy and wet, and golly gosh, 250 mils is going to fall over the weekend. It started well and truly, and not a lick of lightning expected. Not a lick. 70 to 200 stuck on here. We're shooting right down the barrel. Oh, my fingers are so cold I can't even control the camera. Right down the barrel, and I've got it on two separate exposures. So a long exposure to smooth it out, and then a shorter exposure to catch those waves crashing. And if you can see, it's crashing closer in, and then it's crashing further back. So I've just been waiting as the rain has been coming in horizontal. I also shaded the glass of the lens so that it wouldn't get all these white streaks and be completely useless. All my stuff's just soaked, but I've got water resistant stuff, so that's all good. If you know your camera, you can actually take the shot you want rather quickly. So knowing that and knowing the capabilities of your camera. So I knew my camera is waterproof, water resistant. I wouldn't drop it in the ocean, but it can cop a bunch of rain and be fine. So you can see thus far, it's just a variety of shots with different exposure. So I love this one because it adds to the framing of it. And then there's a couple others in there I really dig. Yes, come on. And then you got the sick colour of the water. So I might go black and white, I might not. We will see. There's also, you see right in there, that's the point, so that's the spit wall, and there's this little lighthouse thing out there, and the waves are smashing in. And what I was thinking of doing is going all the way out there to take the photo. Composition is everything. And so take the time to walk around, to have a look, to compose the shot that you want, even if that means, so I walked out into the rain, but I left my gear under the pier so that it wouldn't get all smashed, and had a look around at other perspectives. I think that's really, really important. I don't want to go out and stand in the rain, and I don't think the idea was to, well, this is what the shot would look like, and this is the lens that I'd have to use. This is using Nikon Magic Viewfinder, and you can see that there's potential in that shot, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to forfeit that shot because I don't think it's worth coming. Have a look at this. I'm going to put it on 200 as it is already. Lens and gear is getting soaked. I was going to bust out the shower cap, but with a 70 to 200 stuck on the end, that's a big shower cap you need, right? It's like a raincoat. So I'm just going to do this quick and then going to go home. Pulled the pin early. I got the shot. Here's the two shots I got. I know I said I was going for one shot. Here's the two shots of under the pier and across at the wall. Which do you prefer? As you can see, they've been edited up and contrasted out to try and pick up some of the texture that was present today, because there wasn't a lot of color and the light was pretty flat. It wasn't pretty flat, it was definitely flat. That's it for me. If you enjoyed this and you want to be part of this community and learn about photography and video, I'd love for you to subscribe, join in the fun, give us a thumbs up, comment which one did you like the best. What's the worst conditions you've ever been out photographing in? We'd love to hear some of those stories, share with you on that. Thanks so much. I'm going back to my holiday. That's right, I'm holidaying on the Gold Coast. What a weekend to choose. My goodness.